I'm asking my Igbo brothers and sisters to calm down. Stop insulting people unnecessarily. Stop using mob attack and lynch attack on others just by thinking that they are stopping you from being president. Peter and his campaign team, including me and others, and you that are supporting him, have to do a lot. You have to do a lot to convince others to trust his candidacy that is a national project. Nobody is against Igbos. I am tired of this. I'm being honest. Most of the time, when I read this, and even people who are educated, who should know better, I haven't asked any of them, the Yorubas, how do they hate you? In case you don't know, when Jankara Market was demolished by Jakonde government in the early 80s, that man gave the Igbos a parcel of virgin land on owner's occupier. And what Jakonde said is that if you people are going to clear this forest and build it, take it for life. He didn't take 10 kobo from them. And that is Ojo Alaba International Market. I have been a businessman at Ojo Alaba International Market. They gave it to Ojo Alaba Market is generating annually more than almost 1 trillion naira. From Ojo, if you know Ojo very, very well, from Volkswagen down to Ajangbadi, is giving generation of Igbos plenty money in dollars, in pounds, in euro, given to us by a citizen of Lagos called Lateef Jakonde. May God bless his soul. When we go now under the bridge, what we call trade fair market, where they have trade fair, there are 14 Igbo businesses that are in that trade fair. 14 business union. The one we call Balogu, or the people that are into beauty products, I was the person that dedicated it the day it was dedicated. Igbos are there. Yorubas give us land. Anytime we want land, they give it to us. Most of the economy and development we are seeing in Igbo land are coming from diaspora. Ego eji edozi ana Igbo ahụ sọ ndị Ọnịcha na Aba na Nnewi na Nsụka na Enugu na ewete. Ọtụtụ n'ime ya si Lagos. Most of this money came from Lagos. There has never been a time there is a riot in Lagos and Yorubas begin to burn the property of Igbos. Tell me when it happened. They can burn their own, but they can preserve our own. During the Civil War, every tribe that is so near to Igbos, including the Ikwere in Port Harcourt, seized our properties. They call it abandoned property. Our next door neighbors, people that even speak the same Igbo with us, who be Igbo, they change everything and seize the properties till today. Tell me one single property of Igbo that was seized by the Yorubas after the war. We went back and reclaimed our properties. They kept it for us. In fact, Emeka Anyoku said that a Yoruba man that is neighbor, when he ran away and his family, he kept their property and was collecting rent for him throughout the Civil War 3 years. And when he came back, he handed over to him. Even Emeka Ojukwu that led the war, the 13 properties his father had in a place called Ikoyi in Lagos were all handed over back to him. What is all this madness? It is high time we cool down. Nobody hates you. Nobody wants to stop you. Politics is about campaign and superiority. Ahmed Tinubu have the right. Ahmed Tinubu have the right to vie for presidency. Kwankwanso have the right to vie for presidency. Atiku have the right to vie for presidency. None of these people is representing a tribe. If you feel that Peter program and plans are better, market him very well. But all these things that the Yorubas are against us, they want to stop us from being the president, is a fallacy. I don't believe it. Market your own candidate in peace. Stop all these things that because there will be life after 2023. And most of the time, we might even be endangering the lives and property of our brethren who are living there by our utterances, by our writing, and by our action. So is it not high time somebody we now begin to say enough